Introducing Excel to Graphviz. Drawing graph diagrams is hard work, and this spreadsheet helps you do it effortlessly. 3 worksheets are the heart of the tool. You enter the relationships you want to visualize into the data worksheet and see the graph emerge as cells change. The Style Designer worksheet lets you build reusable visual styles for clusters, edges, and nodes. And the Styles worksheet stores those definitions, much like CSS, so your diagrams stay consistent. Let's look at a simple, live example. We'll create a graph depicting the band The Beatles. We start by creating a node for the band, which is the grouping entity. Next, we will add a node for each musician, John, Paul, George, and Ringo. With the nodes in place, we connect the Beatles to John, connect the Beatles to Paul, connect the Beatles to George, and lastly, connect the Beatles to Ringo. With just a few rows of data, the basic graph has formed. Now we'll start giving the diagram some personality. We are in the Style Designer worksheet, viewing a style definition for drums. We begin by selecting blue from the color gallery to change the font color. Next, we change the typeface by choosing a different font from the gallery and increasing its size. We change text alignment, update image placement, and save the new definition. On the Styles sheet, you instantly see the updated style. Returning to the Data worksheet, we apply styles to each of the 5 nodes. We apply the style Band to the Beatles. We assign the style Guitar to John and George. We assign the style Bass to Paul, and we assign the style Drums to Ringo. Let's also switch layouts from a hierarchical layout to a distributed layout. And as a final step, we will remove the arrowheads. Every change is immediate using a button click. SQL automation can take you even further. On the right is a standard Excel workbook, and we'll import its data using SQL. In the SQL worksheet, you can see the statement pipeline and how the columns map. We run the commands, see the success messages, and return to the data sheet, now fully populated. A quick click on refresh generates the entire graph inside Excel. We move into the examples ahead. Large networks. Hierarchies of any depth with clustered groups. One dataset, many perspectives. Timelines, roadmaps, and dependency flows. Structured taxonomies with color-coded categories. Excel to Graphviz is a free, open-source way to turn your data into knowledge graphs. Scan these QR codes to learn more.